The Harmonization and Validation Workshop on Women Economic Empowerment Indicators, Action Plan, Monitoring and Evaluation Framework is organized by the Federal Ministry of Budget and Economic Planning in collaboration with National Institute for Policy and Strategic Studies NIPPS and Development Research and Policy Center dRPC. The aim of the training is to strengthen the capacity of M&E and Gender Desk officers of the federal ministries, departments and agencies. While presenting the welcome remarks, the Executive Director of dRPC, Dr. Jude Ann Walker, represented by Dr. Stanley Offey, emphasized the importance of enhancing the capacity of DEX officers on the WEE Policy Action Plan and Framework.
Think creatively and collaboratively work together. Your input is invaluable, for it is drawn from your diverse experience and profound understanding of the challenges and opportunity that lies within the scope of our shared mission. We will examine existing indicators and propose new ones, debate their feasibility, and ensure they align with international best practice.
In his keynote remark, the Director General NIPPS, Professor Ayo Omotayo, who was represented by the Acting Director Research of the Institute, Dr. Musa Umar, said the National Institute considers gender equality and social inclusion as critical components in the discharge of its mandate, and it strongly believes that public policies and programs in Nigeria impact citizens directly along gender and social lines.
The National Institute ensures the integration of gender and social inclusion in project and program design and implementation, capacity building programs, as well as when providing policy solutions to government at national and sub-national level.
On their goodwill address, representatives of the foreign ministries, departments and agencies expressed gratitude to the dRPC, Ministry of Budget and Economic Planning, and NIPPS for the initiative.
The takeaway we want to pass across is that institutionalizing monitoring and evaluation culture in public service is critical, but monitoring and evaluating government initiative cannot be left to government alone. Citizens need to also see it, mark it, and voice it out.
Framework for monitoring women empowerment program is a good development, especially it speaks to the SDG 5 that is predicated on empowerment of all women and girls with the mantra of leaving no one behind.
The workshop is going to help us, especially the federal government, because it's going to bring in a framework for it to know the targeted group, the method to empower the women, how to empower them, and to see if actually the projects, the project and the programs for empowerment is followed to the letter.
The participants are expected to understand the indicators of WEE policy, action plan, and M&E framework for effectiveness and relevance of the WEE policy intervention, the sustainability of WEE intervention results, the level of stakeholders and beneficiary satisfaction with the result, and whether the policy frameworks are effective to achieve maximum impact. Abba Misani, Time-Based TV, Africa.